Okay, gang, I don't know exactly how I got there, but I got there. So, what happened? Let's start at the beginning, alrighty? What I did was I opened up my Lenovo and I got the appropriate fonts. And when I clicked on that, we see the style and then okay, install font. Okay, we get to go there. All right, this is like new. So we see here a highlight of not installed. And I install it and bingo, she's there. One minor problem, but not a hassle. So then I will install the checked because what I wanted to do was get, we've already got this and this installed. And where was, see, we see that users highlighted here, and it's in the list. Trust me, it's in the list. Okay. So this was imported gig stick wise from the Windows computer, and when I had, I got some funny activities with the TurboCAD where I would do an item, and when I would reverse, it would say unable to regenerate. So what I would do then is simply shut down the program, okay? So here on the fonts list, now we did see that that new one was installed, and opening up our text edit, and let's make a sentence. And looking through our list, we see that the two newest ones, the Sagio script and the Gabriola, are the two that I need. And now we're going to look for Trebuchet. And there is Trebuchet Microsoft. It's there. So let's go, oh yeah, let's click on that Trebuchet. And the reason I clicked Trebuchet is because I thought it looked pretty cool. So highlighting that and Trebuchet. Okay. And don't save that. Okay, so then after I shut down the TurboCAD and reopened it, we now see the said S7 word in Helvetica. Yeah. So now let's look down through the list. Because we see Ultimus is in the proper heading, and he was Sagio. And there's Sagio's script. And there's Trebuchet. And that showed up without the shutting down. So now, bringing him up to the proper fella, which was letter G. Oh, no, yeah, letter G, Gabriola. Little tiny fella. And turning that on, and then saying apply. Bingo, bango, bongo. Yahoo. That looks just like the pictures, doesn't it? File save. Alrighty. That is totally ingenious how you did that, Tim. I just want to say thanks to the guys over at IMSI. They brought in special help, and yeah, the job's getting done. Appreciate it, Tim and Michael.